Good morning, children. Today we will learn chapter 8 Flying High. Let's play a game. I will give you some hints or I will ask you some riddles. You have to tell me the answer. So, first is on my head I have a crest. All say I dance the best. Of my feathers I am proud. Before the rain I cry aloud. Tell me who am I? Yes, I am peacock. I have a crest on my head. Crest means ये ताज होता है. And I dance the best. Peacock dance the best among all the birds. And I have beautiful feathers, colorful feathers. And before the rain I cry aloud. And before rain, peacock say aloud. Peacock cry. Cry means say aloud. So next hint is long and grooved is my tail. High up in the sky I sail. I pick and eat all the mice. The dash is what you call me. What is this? This is eagle. Eagle has a long and grooved. You can see the design of the tail. That is grooved design. And it fly high up in the sky, and it used to eat mice, so it is eagle. Next is my feather are green, my beak's red, guava and green chili I am fed. I love to imitate people's voice and keep making a lot of noise. My feathers are green, so this is parrot. Parrot has green feathers and red beak, and guava and red chili. Parrot loves to eat guava and red chili, and it imitate the people's voice. So what is it? It is parrot. Next is black are my feathers and black is my dash. Caw caw I do all day long. Who says caw caw? It is crow. Crow is black. Feathers of crow is black. Next is kuhu kuhu is my sound. Everywhere I am found. Kuhu kuhu is koel. My sweet voice. Koel has very sweet voice. Next is dead animal I do eat. Making places clean and neat. High up in the dash. High up in the sky I fly. Vulture is what I am called by. Vulture eats dead animals and it make the place clean and neat, so it fly very high, so it is vulture. My beak is pink, feathers gray. Gutrgu I go on all day. In houses I make my home. A dash is how I am known. It is pigeon. Pigeon has pink beak and pigeon has grey feathers. So what is the sound of peacock? Peacock make gutrgu sound. Next is my beak is very special. I used it like a needle. It is sparrow. Sparrow has very special beak, and it used to its needle its beak like a needle. It stitches it leaves and make her home. It is sparrow. The sparrow bird is how I am known. Next is in trunk of trees holes I make. Hidden insect I intake. Tuk 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 I work all day. The woodpecker is what people say. People say me woodpecker. Woodpecker, what woodpecker do? Woodpecker make hole in the trunk of the tree with the help of its beak, and it makes sound tuk 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 tuk. While it make holes, it makes sound tuk tuk tuk, and it eats hidden insect. So students, next is why is there so much noise in the jungle? So students, we have studied about 3 and 4 riders. Do these 4 riders in your notebook. Write the name of the birds after that. Hope you enjoyed this riders. We will continue the chapter in other class, in next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.